Well, George McDermott, I'm back here with Sherry. Hey, Sherry, explain what happened when you went up to for the hearing today.
It's just it's all a game.
Well,
The little circles.
I need you to explain it as quick as you can.
Well, you got to go get more documentation from the clerk, or not the clerk, whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know how much more they need. They already got it sitting there. So
Hey, they got everything.
it's just a game.
They have everything to prove that it was a fraud.
Take everything they got and see how they feel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bunch of shit.
Yeah. How long did it take?
I don't know. All of 10 minutes.
No.
If that.
Who was the judge?
7. But I think that he was in office with Rollins when they moved up here. I'm pretty sure it's him.
Yeah, he was in office with Rollins.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. He was a prosecutor too with Rollins, something like that. But yeah, I remember him.
Okay. Yeah. And what makes it worse, folks, is I had a long talk with the attorney and in front of the attorney in front of Sherry, and we just simply asked for a copy of the receipt for the safekeeping of the will, and then the safekeeping payments for the 8 codicils that were amended in 2010, and you can't get those. You have to have a subpoena to get those. I said, why? She's here. Why can't she get a copy of those subpoenas? Here's a copy. Somebody took the original will out in September 2nd, 2014, and replaced it one of their own making. And that was Leonard Wilson. He came back and he has stolen everything he can, and it's all with the help of the clerks of this court. So this is insane. But at least we made it up here. We're making a record. Sherry's here. Sherry even asking, can I have a copy of the receipts? I'm one of the descendants of the will. No, you can't have it. You got to file these papers. You got to file for a subpoena. Well, they know a subpoena will never be issued by any judge in this court, because all the judges in this court are covering up for the lawyers and everybody else. And you just heard Sherry say that now the judge appearing today had a conflict of interest because he was tied in with Ellis Rollins, at the time of the death of her father. And that's exactly what the police officer said when we went in and reported this in 2015, this was fraud, and in front of Janice Grenadier, and they said, well, we'll take the report, but we'll give it to them, but they're going to, the state's attorney will throw it in the trash, because he's never going to prosecute a lawyer in this jurisdiction. But she's sitting here. She's homeless. They tried to make all this illegal activity of stealing all the properties that her father left her, and that's undisputed. It was all 100% paid off, 100% free and clear in 2017. The papers were put into the court record. Come on, folks. Is this the way our court system's supposed to work? Why isn't the FBI involved in this, taking down this corrupt probate court and circuit court? It's insane. Oh, and Bernstein's involved. Yeah, Bernstein was a fraud to begin with. We filed a case in circuit court for a petition for Shavat and a demand for a jury trial in 2015, and they transferred it down to Judge Bernstein, who had no jurisdiction. It was supposed to be a circuit court matter, and we've been fighting this ever since. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And, we'll pick this up. Her attorney's in there now looking over all the case files. Well, we're not going to give up on Sherry, not going to give up on her father's legacy. George McDermott, I'll pick this up a little later. Thank you.